This is the DJI AGRAS T20, which carries 20 liters of load and covers 12 hectares per hour efficiently. The 4-channel independent flow control allows more even application, while the intelligent relief valves results in more convenient air removal. The omnidirectional digital radar provides 360 degrees 3D scene reconstruction, empowers the aircraft to avoid obstacles autonomously, even in poor visibility, guarantees safe operation both day and night. The new programmable controller is equipped with RTK module for centimeter-level flight planning. Simply press one button to have the drone take off and perform its job autonomously. Equipped with a new spreading system, T20 can deliver uniform spreading of seeds, fertilizer, and other solid materials at a rate up to 10 kilograms per minute. The rating of IP67 makes the whole aircraft washable. The foldable design makes the T20 even more portable. By using the P4 multispectral to gather precise plant-level data, T20 can apply the selectively spraying solution based on crop growth to save water and reducing the pesticide dosage. With the help of Phantom 4 RTK and DJI Terra, users can apply 3D flight path for more efficient planning. T20 is capable of flying precisely along flight path on multiple application scenarios. To target fruit trees distributed on contour lines, users can choose free flight path to save battery power. The continuous spraying function allows T20 to perform better on mountainous terrain, keeping flight safety and saving you effort. This is the powerful and precise AGRAS T20, pushing the boundaries of crop spraying and bringing up more possibilities for the future of agriculture.
XAG V Series agricultural drone, innovative twin-rotor flying platform, kickstarting the future of agriculture. The V Series is reimagined based on XAG's vast accumulation. Different from traditional multi-rotor drones, it adopts the tilting twin-rotor structure, significantly improving aircraft performance and energy efficiency. Breakthroughs in material science and manufacturing technology dramatically reduce the mass and volume of the V Series, making it more flexible and efficient during flight and transportation. The twin rotor structure has a more concentrated wind field with multiple aerodynamic optimizations. Spray penetration is over twice that of traditional crop protection drones. Modular design allows for rapid switching of task systems. It can switch freely between field mapping, precision spraying, and intelligent broadcast functions, fulfilling a wide range of operation scenarios. The whole machine has IP67 protection, easily dealing with harsh operation environments and simplifying daily maintenance. The arm and propeller fold over doubly, which reduces handling volume by a third, effectively saving space and reducing costs. The bionic design reduces noise by mimicking the posture and movements of a bird to make every flight beautiful. The V-Series equips with the Super X4 intelligent control system, which perfectly combines strong AI algorithms and high-performance power assembly with flexible task systems to easily realize fully autonomous field mapping, precision spraying, and broadcast operations. It is the perfect partner for all your digital agricultural needs. The highly integrated Super X4 intelligent control system integrates flight control, environmental perception, data transmission, RTK navigation, and 5G extended functions. Significant improvement of the chip's hash rate gives V-Series the most intelligent functionality. The terrain radar and front dynamic radar provide accurate perception and obstacle avoidance capabilities, which makes flying safer than ever. PSL Pilot Perspective Image clearly displays field conditions and makes it possible to adapt in complex environments. The V-Series fully supports XAG AI prescription map, which can provide variable rate application based on crop growth, effectively reducing pesticide and environmental pollution. As the flagship model of the XAG V-Series agricultural drone, the V40 has powerful performance and amazing efficiency. With an effective load of 16 liters, it can go with XAG RevoSpray, RevoCast, and RealTerra systems to achieve intelligent and fully autonomous field operations. XAG RealTerra combines high-resolution optical imaging and AI processing chips. It takes images on fully autonomous flight for field boundary recognition, tree identification, mapping, and 3D modeling. A 7-hectare HD field map can be generated within 10 minutes. The XAG RevoSpray has a more advanced centrifugal atomization spraying technology, which allows adjustable droplet size between 60 to 400 microns and increases maximum flow to 10 liters per minute. The effective spray width under the twin rotor windfield is up to 10 meters. The XAG RevoCast redefines granular broadcast. With a variable spiral feeder and a dual centrifugation wide-spreading disc, it can achieve an efficiency of up to 40 kilograms per minute with unprecedented uniformity. The new Smart Lithium Polymer battery is built stronger, smarter, and safer. Its IP65 protection allows speedy charge in water. AgriFuture, here and now. Are you ready?
This is EA-30X Intelligent Agriculture Spraying Drone. A professional agricultural spraying drone, especially for hills and mountains, that can cover all of terrains, all time, and all plant protection application scenarios. A new generation of binocular environment perception technology, EA-Vision 4.0. After more than 6 years, it has collected more than billions of fieldwork pictures, covering more than 40 kinds of crops in plains, hills, and mountains. Cultivated today's sharp eyes. Integrated millimeter wave radar and LiDAR. The hover and climb control response speed is improved within 0.2 seconds. There is no need to map, safe and dynamic continuous obstacle avoidance. EA-30X can cover all of terrain below 90 degrees. Meanwhile, with the new generation EAN-LS night lighting system, the illuminance reaches 700 lux at the distance of 5 meters, and the binoculars can work independently day and night. CCMS L20000 mist spray nozzle. The atomized particles are continuously adjustable from 20 UM to 250 UM, with a new waterproof structure, and the lifetime is increased to 1,300 plus hectares. The quad rotor windfield with bimodal droplets. Strong directionality of large droplets, outstanding penetration of tiny droplets, which penetrate various thick canopy vegetation, achieve wind and chemical synchronized, and significantly improve the carrying medicine quantity on the leaf's back. The newly designed large flow diaphragm pump and ultrasonic flow meter have a flow rate of 0.5 liters to 10 liters per minute, and the deviation is under 5%. At the same time, EA-30X achieves ultra-low profiling flight, imitating crop canopy as low as 0.7 meters, shortening the droplet settlement distance, reducing evaporation and drift, enhancing droplet penetration, and improving plant protection results. The fixed point precise spraying function automatically calibrates the target crop image or based on the prescription map, accurately sprays the pesticide point by point within a radius of 0.5 meters. Intelligent path planning with multiple takeoff and landing points can reduce the full and no-load invalid flight time and increase the operation efficiency by more than 30%, saving time and efficiency. Remote controller with FPV, drone can fly around the boundary of the plot and start spraying immediately after mission planning. The new generation of flight control system, EA-FCS. The global offline mode is upgraded. One base station can cover more than 350 hectares, and it can continue to fly safely even the RTK is disconnected. High-strength composite propeller with a loading capacity of 30 kilograms. The carbon fiber body has a volume of only 0.5 cubic meters after being folded, making it convenient for transferring. The JM 29,000 mAh battery is collocated intelligent charger, which can be charged at the fastest 5C 145 amps and can be fully charged within 8 to 10 minutes. It can truly realize 2 batteries and 1 charge, non-stop use. Fearless equipment, like walking on the ground, even mountains are undulating. Good results will have good returns. To boost the growth of everything with technology development, EA-30X sets off again.